think a good place to start is with getting these intervals down. And it's a little unconventional. You want to be unconventional because if you're in a conventional way, you kind of fall into the same patterns, and it's not as I think inspiring to yourself. I think when you're learning unconventional, and they're useful, it's a useful exercises. So picking with your thumb, you're going to just be on these two top strings here, the E and the A. You're going to play 4 notes on a string, and it's going to be the gypsy scale. You can remember the pattern very easily. It's 2 notes, and then you're skipping 2 frets, and you get the next 2 notes. And you can go to the next string, same pattern. It's like a really simple scale, really easy to remember. That's like that's the easiest thing to do, When you're playing it, you want to kind of get a little rhythm exercises down too. So think in 3 notes. I think it's a good practice because otherwise it's too mechanical. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. You're not getting a rhythm sound. You want to concentrate on the tonal inflection. The tonal intervals. So it's like you can do like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, because it's 8 notes to the octave. It's 7 notes to the scale. 8 is the octave. And that's with your thumb, and then you got your fingers to pick with, and it's easy to just it's easy to play with your picking fingers to get some extra snaz going on. And it's an easy pattern to remember, at least on the first 2 strings, but then you can learn you want your ear to be naturally tuned to the notes, so you want to be able to kind of even not think about it, so it's good to kind of like memorize the scale patterns, because then you practice them and you kind of build your ear tone, because when you're playing, I think you're not going to want to thinking I'm going to be playing the scale. You're more or less, I'm going to be playing these sounds, these tones. And I think improvising after you learn a whole bag of scales is generally, a lot of times you'll find out you'll be playing major scales all the time. Major, everything you're jamming. So what's that? Oh, it's major. What's that? It's major. But it's good to start with the gypsy scale, and you're going to learn your fingers down pretty good. So yeah, that's I think a good lesson. It's like when you're playing four notes per string. That's just you can move your hand around. You don't have to be in that. You can. It's just a good lesson to get. See, like I'm over here now, not on my pinky. I'm on my 3rd finger, but. And remember where your octave is. It's a good lesson, I think. Good lesson to play.